This week, I'm going to dive into a new technology for SOLIDWORKS 2018 called Topology Optimization and get into some of the powerful tools that come with it. Using finite element methodologies, topology optimization creates material layout of the part within a given space, set of loads, boundary conditions, and constraints with the goal of maximizing performance and efficiency of a part in a given system. There are additive and subtractive topology technologies on the market. Additive analysis will create the entire part design based on loads and boundaries, whereas subtractive technologies like SOLIDWORKS Topology Optimization will take a pre-existing part and subtract unneeded material from the design. I will quickly show how this process works in the software. First, we take a part that we want to optimize and identify the loads on it. Then we can create a static study using SOLIDWORKS simulation and identify the factor of safety in the part and figure out if the part can be optimized. With such a high factor of safety on this part, we can absolutely remove some material and shave weight. Since we can go from a factor of safety of about 4 to 2, we will aim to reduce the part mass by 50%. Setting up an optimization study is fairly simple. Start a topology optimization study using SOLIDWORKS Simulation Professional or Premium. I can copy the loads and fixtures from my static study and place them in the optimization study. Ideally, these loads should be identical to your static study to have a true comparison of before and after. Here, I set my goal to reduce my mass by 50%. Then I will add constraints to keep material in the areas that I want to be unaffected by the reduction of material. Now we will run the study and get our optimized geometry. Based on the structure we started with, the areas to avoid removing material, and the goals, the study gives us a structure that has a reduced weight. We can save the new part out as a mesh body, an STL for 3D printing, or we can use it to retrace a new solid. SOLIDWORKS 2018 does have a few mesh editing tools for cleaning up this model, and we can use that if we want to go directly to a 3D print. I think the best method currently with these new tools is to just create a solid body on top of the model so we can measure and trace the new geometries. After that, of course, you want to test the new body in an FEA study and check the new factor of safety. Historically, these shapes have been difficult to manufacture and only 3D printing could effectively make these shapes quickly, but with SOLIDWORKS 2018, we can actually take these shapes and generate usable mesh geometries and then apply machine design principles to them using 3D CAD to make a finished part. Hopefully that will give users a few ideas of how they can use the new topology optimization tools to take their parts to their most efficient places possible.